Hi there. Glad you could make it to the all hands today. That was a lot of information this morning. What stood out to you from the strategy overview?
Hello, Mrs. Lisa. It is so nice to meet you. I'm Glory from the engineering department. I thought the point where you mentioned about using AI across the department was really, really insightful. In the engineering department, we plan to really leverage AI in our work, our deployment, just making sure that we have an app experience where users get to have a personalized experience and all of that. So yeah, just be sure that my team and I are exactly gonna give the company what it needs.
Nice to meet you, and I'm glad the AI piece resonated. Personalization in the product is exactly the kind of impact I'm hoping for. Keep partnering with your engineering leaders on where AI fits best. If you had to pick one area where AI could move the needle fastest for us, what would it be?
That would be deployment easily and of course just streamlining our onboarding processes and our documentation, honestly, because that way it gets to lift up the load that we have on our shoulder and all that and just concentrate more on more important tasks. Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. Deployment and onboarding are great leverage points, and they line up well with where we're taking the company. Freeing people up for higher value work is exactly the goal. Keep sharing those ideas with your VP. That's where real change happens. It was great chatting in line. I'm looking forward to seeing what your team does with this direction. Before we wrap up, is there anything else quick you wanted to ask about the strategy? If not, we can call this good. Thanks. We've reached the end of this conversation. Please hit the end session button now.
It was so LinkedIn Premium has this course where you get to use AI role playing to know how to interact with a senior leadership in case if you meet your CEO abruptly and you don't know how the conversation could go. With this AI role playing, you'll be able to practice that, be able to strengthen your conversation lines, introduce yourself proper, and be able to think on your feet because you don't know who you're gonna meet and you don't know what they're gonna say, and it might be someone that has a very strategic decision making skill in your company or in your workplace, and so it's important for you to make a very good impression so that the person will see you as someone that is capable, someone that knows what's going on in the company. And after this role play, you get to see the places where you need improvement, areas of improvement, and things you could have done better. So I encourage you, if you've not taken a course like this, it's a promotion course. You could check it out. At the end of it, you could practice with this AI role playing video and just know how to make a good impression on your senior leadership. The link to the promotion course will be in the description of this very video. From here, you could see the strength that I've made with the little conversation I've had so far. I was just testing it out, but you could take your time. Depending on the department you are in, the AI will tailor down your response to that. Okay, so it's a good starting point for anyone who is not able to master conversations or is scared of how to make a first impression on their boss or their CEO, and yet you want people to respect you, you want people to promote you, your boss to promote you. You could just start from here to practice. So this is what this video is all about, and I hope you really find value in it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mm.